Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to show you my slime machine. So this slime machine isn't finished, as you can tell, but yeah. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this stick, and there's a hole right here. If you guys can see, there's a hole right here. So you're going to put this stick through that a few times until you hear something fall, and then that will be your glue. So here's the glue, and you're just gonna open it, and it already has color. So now you go to the next station, which is your baking soda, and you're just gonna grab a pinch or two. I think I'm just gonna grab a pinch, and then with that same stick that you used to get the slime, you're going to mix that with it. Okay, so I mixed it, and now you're going to go to the next station, which is your eye drops, and you're just going to take the duct tape off, and yeah. Alright, so now you're going to add your eye drops in and mix it. And when you're done mixing, your slime is done. So here's my slime. Alright. Here it is. It's still a bit sticky, but I mean, I don't really care. And it's very stretchy. And I didn't even add any lotion. So, yeah. And let's see what it would look like on the camera. See it, so I have a little bit of slime. Let's take a little bit. And slime. So, yeah. So that is my slime machine. And that is how you make slime. So now I'm going to show you like how it works. So it has something on the top, which is pretty much where the glue is stored. Oh my god! It has a top shelf where the glue was stored, and then how I made this part, as you can tell, it's a hole. I cut up some parts inside, and then I cut up parts outside, and then this part I just folded it, and this part never stays. And then as you see, you push it, and then you look it through the puppy door, and then you pull out your glue, and then the next section I just made like. And this is separate, so you can take this out, but I'm not going to take it out because it's part of the thingy. And then you just mix it with this, and then the eye drops, I just duct taped it to this because I was too lazy to do anything special. Well, that is my slime machine. Hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to click that subscribe button. And bye.